Lie down on one side with knees bent backwards. Place the elbow directly below the shoulder. Lift your hip off the floor using elbow and knee support. Hold the position for the required amount of time. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Lie down on one side. Place the elbow directly below the shoulder and straighten your legs. Lift your hip off the floor as high as possible using elbow for support. Slowly return to the start position. Breathe out as you lift your hip off the floor and breathe in as you lower it. Lie down on your back with knees bent and feet on the floor. Lift the hip off the floor as high as possible and hold for the required amount of time. Repeat as instructed. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally.